Hello my dear students, today we are going to learn integer. So before integer, I want to tell you what is natural number. Natural numbers are started from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and whole number include 0 and all natural numbers. So whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and up to so on. And what are the negative numbers? The numbers with a negative sign which lies to the left of 0 on the number line are called negative numbers. So what are negative numbers? Suppose 0 lies here and left to the 0 means here with negative sign are known as negative numbers. Okay, like this. So all these numbers are negative number. Introduction to 0. What is means 0? 0 means an absence of value. Means suppose that if anybody is saying you have 0, it means that you have nothing. Okay. So 0 means absence of value. Okay. So in number line this is 0, okay, 0 and left to the 0 are negative number. Okay, what are integers? What are integers? Integers collection of all positive and negative number including 0 are called integers, like -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So integers contains all positive number, all negative number and 0. Okay, how we can draw integers on number line? So to draw integers on number line, first of all draw a line, mark 0 and represent all the positive number right to the 0, like 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on, and negative numbers left to the 0, -1, -2, -3, -4. So in this way you can represent integers on number line. So numbers which lie left to the 0 are negative number. And number which lies right to the 0 are positive number. Okay, so now move towards the absolute value of an integer. What is absolute value of an integer? Okay, so absolute value represent only numerical value of the integer. It means that it is not considered any sign, either positive or negative. It gives the only numerical value to you. For example, absolute value of minus 5. So it will give only 5. Like absolute value of plus 5. So it will give 5. So absolute value means that write the only numerical value, do not write the sign. Ordering of integers. So as we have already learned that how you can represent integers on number line. So to understand the ordering of the integers, again draw the number line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to so on, -1, -2, -3, -4. So look at here, as we move towards right, number is increasing, okay, and as we move towards left, number is decreasing, okay. So if we go right, number increases. If we go left, number decreases. Okay, so in this way we can order our integers. For example, if I have given you -2, -3, 1, 0, 5, 6, okay, and I am saying that arrange in order. How you will arrange it? First of all, just represent these integers on number line. It will be arranged in order. Like first of all, represent 0. After that, what integer you have? 5 and 6, and 1 is also there, okay, and -2 and -3. So integers in order are, so order of integer -3, -2, 0, 1, 5 and 6, okay. So now we are going to learn operations on integers. So we can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of integers. Now we are going to learn addition. In addition, we have to remember, if we are adding positive number plus positive number, for example +7 +3, then we just simply add the numerical value 7 plus 3, it will come 10, and put the positive sign. So always remember that if the integers are positive, there is no need to put the sign. So simply we, what can we do? 12 plus 3, we just write 15. There is no need to put the positive sign. Negative integer plus negative integer. For example, minus 7, minus 3. Just simply add the value 7 plus 3, it will come 10, and put the minus sign. Okay. So let us take one more example so you are able to better understand how you will add negative integer. Suppose I have written here 13 minus 7. So just simply add both the number 13 plus 7. It will come 20 and put the negative sign. Now we are going to learn addition of positive integer plus negative integer. Let us take one example. 7 plus minus 3. So we are going to add 7 plus minus 3. So it will gives you 7 minus 3, 4. So your value come 4. Take one more example. 15 plus minus 5. So simply just subtract both the numbers. 15 minus 5, your value will come 10. Now negative integer plus positive integer. To understand this, let us take one example. Minus 15 plus 4. So what your value will come? Just subtract both the numerical value. Just subtract both the numerical value. 15 minus 4, it will come 11, and put the sign of bigger value. Okay, put the sign of bigger value. Here bigger value is 15. So its sign is negative, so we will put here negative. Okay. Similarly, do one more example. Minus 20 plus 4. So what value you get? Just subtract the numerical value. 20 minus 4, you will get 16, and put the sign of bigger value, and bigger value is 20 and its sign is minus, so we will put here minus. Let us take one more example. 4 plus 15. So now how you will do? Just subtract the numerical value. 15 minus 4, you will get here 11, and put the sign of bigger value. Here bigger value is 15 and its sign is plus, so we will put here positive sign. Positive signs, or you can write 11 also. There is no need to put the sign positive sign before the number. Okay. positive integer and negative integer. So here also we do same thing. If let us take an example, suppose if it is written 11 plus minus 4, so what you do, just 11 minus 4 and simply do the subtraction. Okay, 11 minus 4, here will come 7 and put the sign of bigger value. Bigger value is 11 and its sign is positive, so we will put here positive. Take one more example. 7 plus minus 11. So what you get from here, 7 minus 11, just subtract both the number and what you get 4 and put the sign of bigger value. Okay, so here we will put negative. So what we learn? We learn if the integers contains the same sign, either positive or either negative, we perform addition. And sign of your result will be positive and negative. Sign of result. Okay, but if the integers are different, like positive negative integer or negative positive integer, what we do, we perform subtraction and what we do, we put the sign of bigger number. So in this way we can perform the addition of integers. So these are important things. If the sign are same, we will perform addition and we put the sign of our integers. If we are adding positive integers, then we put the sign positive. If we are adding negative integer, we put the sign negative. But if the signs are different, we perform subtraction and we put the sign of bigger number in the result. Okay, students, in next video lecture I will teach you subtraction of integers and others operations like multiplication, divisions. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share it with your friends. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon to get the notification of new videos. Okay, bye bye students.